Hi, and welcome back. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to back up an inspection report into Google Drive. This is not the same as publishing PDF. This is backing up the whole report off your device into the cloud. We do this simply by selecting the Backup Inspection Report tab, selecting our account, and the app will do the rest from here. And as you can see, the report has been uploaded. Now, to restore a report after you upload it, it's a very simple process. It's done through this Open section, which is right here. So if you click on Open, at the base of it, there is a Restore Inspection Report link. Exactly the same process as backing it up, only it's the reverse. So we will hit this account, then the app will display what has been uploaded to Google Drive, select the report that you want, and again, the app will do the rest. As you can see, the report has been restored back to our device. Thanks for watching.